Hey, you got something to show me today?
We got the Maratac 1D. It's actually the Maratac 1D flashlight kit because it'll run on 1D cell.
Is it a kit? Do I have to build this thing?
No, it's already built. But the kit, you don't get the battery, but you get this will run on 1D cell, which is cool because there's not a lot of flashlights that run on 1D cell.
Yeah, I've never heard of a flashlight.
Yeah, well,
D cell.
D cells are between 8 and 10,000 milliamps typical, so they hold a lot of current and capacity. So pretty cool. This one on high with the D cells, 570 lumens. This has two modes, high and low. No strobes, no fancy SOS or anything like that. So high and low. Here's the low.
Oh, maybe if you showed it down here, could we see it down there?
So there's the low.
There's the low. Still looks really bright.
And there's
that looks a little brighter.
Yeah, and there's the high. So I'm switching through it.
I can see the camera having problems dealing with it.
Pretty cool light. But the cool thing is, it also comes with this insert. You want to run 4 AA's, which everybody has, I'm sure. And the 4 AA's, the output will be 860 lumens. Both of them are so 860 lumens with the AA pack and 570 lumens with the D cell pack. The low power setting on both of these is 50 lumens. So at 50 lumens, it'll run 110 hours.
Okay.
And at 570 lumens, it's about 6.5 hours on high with the D cell. With the AA pack, 860 lumens, you get 2 hours. So not as much capacity, but you get versatility. So the cool thing is, D cell or AA, either way.
So it sounds like super adventure light that you can.
I gotta tell you, this is cool.
The flexibility of the battery.
It's a spinoff of our TLL because the TLL was so popular, the temporary landing light that.
People wanted just to
hey, can you make a flashlight like that? So it's got plenty of clearance, but use a good quality battery.
I see you're using Duracell. I have a preference.
I notice batteries nowadays. You got to be careful. You got to check your batteries because many batteries they just have a tendency to leak. I don't know why that is now, but it seems to be more prevalent. But so it's got a threaded tripod mount on the bottom with like a 1/4-20.
So I can put that on a tripod that came from the TLL, or I can mount that on my bike. I can make something.
Yeah, this is cool. The red anodized anti-reflective glass on the lens.
So that's not plastic.
It's not plastic. It's actual glass
in
there.
Glass.
And it's light orange peel in there. The emitter is a Cree XP-L V5, and that's 5,000 degree color temperature.
That's hot stuff, latest and greatest, right?
It's white. It's not the yellowish color, but it is the white. So, yeah, pretty cool. The length of it is 4.1 inches, and there it is in my hand. The diameter is 1.6 inches. It weighs 143 grams with no battery in it. Okay.
You were doing something cool with the tactical tail cap or something.
Oh, so
tell me about
you
this.
set it up.
So just right there.
Yeah, set it up where you get it close to the edge here. Just back it off because it's just a simple mechanical. But there's no switch. There's no switch. But if you push the back, you can run
You're making your own switch.
Yeah, go from high to low and high. And if I even grab it this way and just kind of squeeze there, do that and get it to.
So is that the way you use it when you're out doing your night walks?
When I'm out walking, I have this in my hand. I walk with the dog and just take that like that. It's pretty cool. Also has some holes here if you want to tie a lanyard around it. There's 2 holes here for paracord, either side. You can make a lanyard for it. It's a pretty cool light. It's anodized T6061 aluminum. The front bezel happens to be kind of a cool red color. So and that's to distinguish between some of our other lights. That's the 1D flashlight by Maratac. And again, it comes with the AA holder. So batteries, of course, are not included. So.
As with anything good, batteries are never included.
Thanks for watching.